Welcome to Spiced Foods. Let's make crispy onion fritters or Piyaz Pakore. You will need gram flour 300 grams, onion 1 medium, 2 green chilies, coriander handful, a pinch of baking soda. For spices you will need red chili powder and cumin seeds 1 tablespoon each, turmeric 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. Add all the ingredients in a bowl. Add in enough water to make thick batter. Mix. Carefully add the batter directly into the oil. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides or until golden and crispy. Our crispy onion fritters are ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on TikTok.